Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff that doesn't matter or that you just don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you the best VPNs for dynamic IP situations right now, and a few things about each that actually matter. That way you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my entire research doc for free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for dynamic IP challenges, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best for handling dynamic IPs. Why? It handles dynamic IP situations easily, keeping your connection stable even when your IP changes a lot. Super important, I'd say. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, zero connectivity issues, no packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds. Features, it's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, and the support, top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, they don't. That's a fact. Encryption, they use the best tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no problems, and pretty cheap for what you get. Negatives, 10 device limit. Second best for dynamic IP is IPVanish. Why? It's a no BS VPN built purely for performance and smooth handling of frequent IP changes. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth sailing even with dynamic IP setups. Features, all the essentials plus extras for dynamic IPs. A solid kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route just certain apps through the VPN or not. Pricing and support, excellent value. Usually cheaper than most, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs, no logs. Independently audited no logs policy. Encryption, top-notch too, AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which can make privacy nerds nervous, but their no logs audit checks out. Plus, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, clean, fast, secure, and a true set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for dynamic IPs and great value. Third on the list is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? Massive server network and tons of customization. Really handy if your IP changes often. Speed? Very good. With that huge server network, you'll always find a fast, uncrowded server near you, no matter your IP setup. Features? It's loaded. Kill switch, awesome ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option. Support is good and professional. Logs, no logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, the best tech available, and it's customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based, and the app isn't as clean or sleek as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but still want a dynamic IP-friendly VPN with loads of servers and advanced features. And that's it, my top 3 picks for handling dynamic IPs. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly with dynamic IP setups. Quick recap if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall with a premium feel, the most features, and fast speeds. Choose IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that's a killer value for dynamic IPs. Pick PIA if you're on a budget but want a massive server network and a ton of advanced features. My job's done. I gave you the answers so you don't waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below so you can grab the best prices. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you went with. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.